Hi and welcome to Nickwell Motorhomes. So today what have we got for you? Well, we've got a 2025 model Auto-Sleepers Broadway EB. What does the EB stand for? Well, if you don't know, that will become obvious a little bit later on. Now, to start off with, it's 6.32 metres in length, it's 2.32 metres in width, so it's very compact and it's a 3.5 tonne unit, so you can drive it on your standard driving licence. So what have we got? Well, you've got your water filler point just here. And if you know your sleepers, you'll know you've got your 25 litre underslung gas tank. That's your filler point there, which is very handy. We've got your external 230 volt socket just there. Access under one of the benches just here. Now you can see you've got your carpets here. We've also got your safe just there as well. Gas barbecue point. And of course, above we have your awning. You've got your solar panel up there as well. It's very, very well spec'd. Alloy wheels, and of course the big thing how you can always tell the 2025 model, you've got this new Fiat grille. This is an automatic as well, so it's a lovely thing to drive. As we come round, you can see again you've got your flush fit windows, you've got some still storage just in there as well. Again, you're at the water filler point there, you've just got your Ultraflow compact. That there's for your Truma heating. I'll explain that's a little bit different on the new models when we go inside. Electric hookup point, your fridge vents, extractor vent just up there, cassette toilet. As we come round, just up there you can see you've got your reversing camera, and of course it's already pre-ready to fit a bike rack onto. So let's go inside. So it is nice and bright, but the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pop some lights on, because when we go in the bathroom, we might need them. Here we go, so come on in. So the first thing, obviously, with it being the 2025, is you can see we've got the all new upholstery. Now, in the front, as I said, we've got the automatic box, we've got your reversing camera just over there. We've got your Remus cab blinds all around, media centre. That is an Android Auto and Apple CarPlay unit as well. So again, it's very modern, just link it to your phone. Obviously both captain seats swivel, most comfortable seats in the van. And then we come to your lounge area where you've got these two nice long settees. Now, these can be made into two single beds or a transverse double, and it's very simple. Just pop your seat round there. We've got the two adjusters at the side to make sure it's at the right height. Then all you need to do is slide your bed out. Now, you don't have to slide it the whole way if you don't want to. You can literally slide it to around about there, and as you can see, you've got enough space then to be able to lie on the bed. Feet obviously down that end, head up there. This side works exactly the same. You just bring it round, get that to the right height, bring it forward a touch, and you slide it out. Now, the great thing with the two singles is obviously if one of you needs the toilet in the middle of the night, it doesn't matter. You've still got this walkway, especially when I push that one back in a little bit, to be able to go up and down. Now, it does make up into a lovely transverse bed as well. The key to that is you've got these bolsters just at the front, ever so slightly higher, so you want to put those at the back, like so. So we'll move these rather snazzy cushions out the way. Here and here. You will see again, we've got these extra two lockers just up at the sides as well. So when we do this, what you really want to do is completely turn this cushion over. Slide that out to the centre. Same on this side. So I'll just pop that over there for a second. And that one, so they're out the way. Spin it over. Now, the great thing with this, like I say, is the bolsters at the two ends. So now you can slide this into the centre. Bring these round. Make sure they're touching. Now you can see you've got a lovely big flat bed, so you don't get this lump in the centre. If you want to sleep that way, you're more than welcome, but it won't do your back a lot of good. Again, to pop them back, nice and easy. Just remember again to turn them over. Same on the other side. Like I said, the great thing is it's not a hard job and it's a quick job to do. Then of course we have your reading lights just here, and they will move along the rail, so you can move them both sides to wherever you want them. We've got good vision and a lot of natural light coming in with the skylights. Plenty of storage on either side. Up above here, of course, it wouldn't be a sleeper without these 4 crystal clad goblets just there. And of course you've got room for your bottles of wine there as well. Wouldn't also be a sleeper if you didn't have an excellent kitchen. So as you can see, just above here, we've got room for your plates, got your extractor, 3 gas hobs and an electric hot plate, your sink with your drainer in there as well, separate grill, oven. You can cook pretty much anything on here. And again, you've got really, really good storage right throughout. So plenty of room there for utensils. Now over on this side, you've got more. Again, more storage at the top. This cupboard here, you'll see you've got your 12 volts in there as well. So again, it's a good place to pop a TV in, because again, this one's got Bluetooth. So sorry, you have Wi-Fi, so you can link, if you've got a smart TV, straight up to the Wi-Fi. You don't need an aerial connection. Microwave just here, and then again, another really good slab of work surface. So you've got both sides to work on. You've got your USBs under there, a couple of 230 volts as well. More in the way of storage. And you're probably thinking, well, it's great, I can cook a nice meal, but how do we get to eat? There's no table. Well, you'd be wrong, because we've got a huge standalone just here, and again, it's got its own place in there. When you're done, you slide it away, it's nice and easy. Fridge just here, and then over here we've got your main control panel, and this is the control for your Truma heating. Now your Truma heating works very much in the way that it used to. It's a gas and electric unit, but this is different, because with this one, where you've got you'll fill up your boiler and you might have, say, 5-10 litres of water in there, this heats right the way through. So once you've got it on, it will heat all the water through your tank until you've emptied it down. It really is good, especially if you're doing a lot of wild camping. We could go into it in more detail, but look on the Sleepers website and it'll give you an awful lot more information. But it's very impressive. Why do they call it an EB? Because it has an end bathroom. So it is a really good sized end bathroom. Now we have more storage just up here and underneath, and of course you have your touch sensitive lights. Now over here as well, of course, you've got your wardrobe, and in there you'll see you've got your little coffee table for just down the front, and you've got your Wi-Fi units on the wall. Bench toilet just there, and then of course we've got these 3 drawers. When we're working with our lights, I shall pop the other ones on just there, and that there, we have an extractor because you have a separate shower cubicle. Again, good storage underneath. And when we're talking showers, I mean, okay, I'm not the tallest man in the world, I'll grant you, but it is a really good size. I mean, you've got the privacy. Once you've pulled that over, you've got 2 plugs down there as well, so again the water drains down very easy. More lights just up here as well, so it's light. You've also got a window just by the toilet there, and it's been done very much like you might do your bathroom at home, so it's very stylish. Yeah, that is the Broadway EB. This, like I say, is the 2025 model. There are a lot of symmetry when it comes to the 24 model and before when it comes to the layout. But there are a lot of nice new features on the 25 most important of which is probably the fact with the constant hot water. So there we have it, the Broadway EB. Really hope you've enjoyed this presentation, and if you want to come and see one, we've only got one, so better come and see us soon.